Good morning. We're on the lead boat, Riv 1, leaving Randall Jones, Riviera, heading on our Kooringal Experience 2021. With 34 boats with us, we'll head into Moreton Bay, through the gutters and to our favourite anchorage, Kooringal. There we'll host over 100 owners, their family and friends on a 4-day adventure.
One thing we love about the Kooringal experience is going out and doing our tender explore. Over here at Crab Island, which has been a green zone for 20 odd years now, it's unbelievable. The wildlife is next level. We go around the whole island, we duck in amongst the mangroves, in and out. You can see rays, turtles, shovel-nosed sharks and plenty of fish. It's absolutely fantastic. What have we seen today while we've been driving around?
Stingrays.
Stingrays? They big stingrays? Decent size. You see any big turtles?
Yeah, we saw a couple.
Yeah. What about the shovel-nosed sharks? There are plenty of them in there. It's the social aspect, I think, that really brings the customers together. We've got a great gathering here today on the beach. We've got the cheese and bickies and a few drinks going down. Wonderful afternoon. Kooringal is one of the greatest places in Australia, I think, to do this.
Well, after 4 days of being at Kooringal, we've had a great time. We're on our way back to Riviera now to park the boat and unload. I hope everyone enjoyed themselves, getting out there, using their boats, meeting new friends, catching up with the old. We hope to see you on the next event.